Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kavya. Happy birthday.
Birthdays have always been a very crucial part of my life. It started with grand parties that my family hosted when I was a child, and then slowly turned into house parties as the friend group increased. In my early teens, my birthday revolved around spending time with my closest friends, customizing cakes based on my obsession with One Direction, having my family around, and then heading to the mall to click some really cool pictures that were later posted on Facebook. My 18th birthday was pretty bad. I was preparing for my pre-board exams. I invited my friends who didn't show up. I cried my eyes out. And then I got ready to click pictures with this 18 number balloon that my sister got for me. My 19th and 20th birthday went by so fast because college was hectic AF and December was the month of end semester exams. By the time I reached my 21st birthday, the occasion started inclining more on how I looked and dressed and how the pictures could be curated into the perfect Instagram post. On my 22nd birthday, we were in a lockdown. My family did everything they could to create a special day for me on our terrace. I had two friends who could make it to that party. I remember feeling like I did not properly celebrate my 22nd birthday, but we were literally in the middle of a global pandemic and I did not complain. This was more than what I could get. Ever since I was 13, I promised myself that the day I turned 22, I'm going to be playing 22 by Taylor Swift, and I was just glad that I was able to do this. This was so iconic. My 23rd birthday was pretty happening. COVID had become manageable around the globe. The world was getting back to normal. Social events had started happening again. I booked 2 interconnected rooms at a hotel and my friends stayed over for a staycation. It should have been the most fun I ever had, but something still felt off. I stopped loving my birthday by the time I reached 23. It became more of a show that I had to put on for everyone. The pictures looked great, the captions were perfect, the cake, my friends, everything was exactly how it was supposed to be. But there was an underlying sense of sadness that I could not waver off. My 24th birthday was underwhelming. I stopped finding joy in buying the perfect birthday dress. I stopped finding the will to invite temporary people to my birthday. I just wanted to cut a cute cake and have dinner with my family. I had also gained significant weight, my skin was not having the best time, and I was stuck in my career. Now that I look back, my birthday smiles over the years had changed so much into something which I honestly don't even recognize. By my 25th birthday, I thought it's finally going to be a break for the curse of not getting to celebrate all milestone numbers. But obviously, I could again not do something big for my 25th as my sister had just got married 2 days before and we were all exhausted and sad as fuck. My family still managed to get me a champagne-shaped cake because I was officially legal to consume alcohol now. All our extended family, grandparents from both sides, and cousins were present that day. It was by far the best birthday I had in the last few years. Little did I know then that it was also the last time all sets of my grandparents would be present on my birthday.
I'm still 25 in India. It's 10:43 in India, so I'm still officially 25. In Thailand, I'm 26, which is just weird. But I'm still 25. 25. 25. Still 25.
For my 26th birthday, I thought I don't need any of my friends to make me feel special. I planned to celebrate my birthday in Thailand, joining my sister and her husband on their 1-year anniversary trip. I bought the perfect dress, the heels, got my hair colored, and still managed to completely ruin everybody's mood and make myself feel shitty on my birthday. By this time, I knew that neither the location nor the people were the problem. It was me who was the problem. Anybody's birthday in Thailand sounds like a dream. Mine was the complete opposite. I regretted the entire trip. I've always wanted to do something very fancy for my birthday. This year, even though it's a random number, it's just 27. I know I'm supposed to do something big at 30. But this year, I'm like, भाई मैं तो करूँगी कुछ भी हो जाए. I'll plan the entire thing. मुझे सरप्राइज नहीं चाहिए किसी से भी. I don't want any kind of efforts from anybody. मैं अपने लिए अपना बर्थडे प्लान करूँगी. And it needs to look like really aesthetically pleasing. Because I'm wearing, my birthday dress is already ready. I'm wearing a satin skirt and a brown top. The skirt is also brown. And I'm thinking कि बाकी सारा decoration pink रखूँगी मैं. And I'm going to set it up on the table and have like candles and champagne glasses and ribbons on it. And a beautiful heart-shaped cake with flowers. And yeah, इस बार तो मैं अपने लिए कर लूँगी. किसी से क्या एक्सपेक्ट करना, खुद ही कर लो. I think that's for the best. एक्सपेक्ट करके हर्ट हो जाता है क्योंकि फिर वो आपकी जैसा आप चाहते हो वैसा करते नहीं हैं. तो खुद ही कर लेती हूँ मैं. एंड आई थिंक आई एम गोना मेक दिस वन अ हिट. I honestly don't even know what I'm looking for. I don't know this kind would look good or not. I'm not sure if I want the numbers this time or the number balloons. I'm looking for something maybe like a table with a lot of decoration on it. I think I still have to search a bit. And how do I even find this in Delhi? That is also another task. I absolutely love, I mean, look at this. Look at this. Wow. I guess I just have to create a look like this. I even really, really love this one. This. Love that. I really love this, but I'm not sure how I will collect every item on this table. But I'm gonna show it to you, and I think this is what my dream table looks like. I absolutely love this. Oh my god, this is how I want my birthday picture to look like. Oh my god. This exactly. This is what I want to create. Oof. I just made my birthday invite on Canva and I absolutely love it. This is so me. This is me. This is exactly who I am internally, outside. Have a look. Like everything in this invite is who I am. And wait for it. I just cannot. Just look at her, man. Yeah, that's me. This is what the entire invite looks like. Pretty cute. Hello, it's 5th December, my birthday eve. Why am I talking like that? Hi, it's 5th December, my birthday eve, and I'm excited for tomorrow because I have dropped all expectations and now I'm just looking forward to be in the moment and live happily throughout the day. I do not care if somebody does not show up. I do not care if the people I want to attend my birthday aren't there, or if things don't go according to how I wanted. I'm just going to be happy throughout the day. I'm going to feel like I've hit a milestone. Now I'm headed to the gym and I got my hair done, but not able to see the highlights, so I'll have to probably go again tomorrow. And the vlog is coming out to be good. I think I have a few clips for my birthday. Also, I'm practicing not saying so this is great. I feel like I did not say or in whatever I've recorded right now, so this is great. Having butter chicken and garlic naan as a 26-year-old on 5th December. Watching a great show with my dog looking at me like, last hour of being 26. This is so surreal. Like 25-26 वाली एज तक आपको लगता है कि हाँ मतलब अभी तो I'm young, अभी तो I'm in mid-20s. 27 sounds like a very big age, and I don't like feel 27, so I don't know what difference it makes. But 27, like I can't believe that I was 17 10 years ago. I was 17 10 years ago. Whew. I mean, like, this is who I am. This is who I am. And people expect me to, like, behave like a 27-year-old. What is 27? One last hour of me being 26. ये व्लॉग काफ़ी बड़ा होने वाला है क्योंकि मैंने बहुत कुछ रिकॉर्ड किया है. इज इट जस्ट मी है जब आप सैलों से बाल करा के आते हो तो खोपड़ी में खुजली ज़्यादा होती है. ऑल्सो कैन वी प्लीज अप्रिशिएट these beautiful nails that I've got done for my birthday. So beautiful. Look at them. So beautiful. What am I doing? I don't know. It's officially my birthday. सुबह बहुत सारी प्लानिंग करनी है. I'll try to record everything, all the decoration, all the things that I'm setting up. मैंने फ़ोन के पीछे का स्टिकर वाला वो भी ले लिया जिससे कि I get to stick it somewhere and record what's happening. And I'm officially 27. Sounds like a big number, but it isn't. I did wake up excited. My mom wished me happy birthday before she went to work. And then my dad wished me happy birthday before he went to work. And then I was all alone in my house with my 2 dogs. I started decorating my house and the aesthetic vision of my birthday table that I had picked. And after about 3 hours of hard work, my setup finally came to life. Soon it was 2 p.m. and I had to get my hair touched up, so I headed to the salon. And the salon experience at Lux was so bad that I ended up waiting for 3.5 hours before my hair was finally ready on my birthday evening. I was tired, drained, and already pissed by 5 p.m. When I got back home, I started to get ready, and then I got to know that one of my friends had cancelled her plan. That of course hurt me, but I still tried to cheer up because I had planned so much for this birthday.
यार अंजू 1 मिनट वहाँ रहना, इसका वीडियो बना रही हूँ मैं. हाँ.
गाओ.
Happy birthday to you.
गाओ डैडी.
You, happy birthday.
गाओ ढंग से गाओ. बहुत ज़्यादा लाउड लगती है.
अबे काट तो दे.
By this time, I had figured out no matter what I do, I will always find something to feel shitty about on my birthday. After the cake cutting, we went out for dinner. My mood was obviously low, even though I was trying really, really hard to be happy, but I just wasn't able to. I don't know why, but I was super annoying on my birthday today, just like every other year. And I just fail to understand how am I happy on 5th December, then I'm happy on 7th December, but I'm not happy on 6th December. Like मेरे दिमाग में इतना कुछ चल रहा होता है कि ये चीज़ ऐसे होनी चाहिए थी, ये चीज़ वैसे होनी चाहिए थी, और वो बिल्कुल भी वैसी नहीं होती जैसी मैं चाहती हूँ. और फिर मैं सब पे चिढ़ती हूँ, सब पे इरिटेट होती हूँ, फिर मैं बीच में रोने लगती हूँ, फिर मैं ग्रेटफुल फील करती हूँ कि यार मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, ये सब आई गेट सो लाइक आई हैव सो मच, और I feel so grateful, and then everything comes crashing down. Like whatever I planned, it gets to that, but it doesn't go exactly how I want it to be, and I feel like maybe that's the problem. Maybe I want things to go a certain way all the time, and जब वो वैसे नहीं होता I just go crazy about it. और ये कोई नई बात नहीं, मैं हर साल कर रही हूँ. I was in Thailand last year on my birthday, and I completely ruined my birthday. My own birthday, I ruined it. क्यों? क्योंकि it wasn't what I expected it to be. Anyway, you are speaking to a new and transformed me. I am now 27. I'm supposed to get my shit together, and that is what I'm going to do being 27. I'm going to get my shit together until I'm 28, and let's see where that goes. I have to get my shit together. I'm gonna do this. This time I'm gonna do this. I can't believe I'm 27. Wow. Also, my outfit was... Is the camera dirty? I don't know. Just gotta clean it with this. Now that's what I'm talking about. I wore an outfit which is giving early 2000s to me. It's got this, and it's like a very cute मेरे नसीब में तू है कि नहीं look going on. And I'm wearing a satin skirt below. I think this rocked. Cute. I've come to a realization that I'm happy on 5th December, I'm happy on 7th December, and I'm miserable on 6th December. So like what do I do? क्या मैं अपना बर्थडे मनाना छोड़ दूँ, या मैं बर्थडे इतने एवरेज में मनाऊँ कि मेरे को डिसअपॉइंटमेंट ना हो अपने आप से? What's going on? I think I need to properly research and study मेरे दिमाग में क्या चलता है मेरे बर्थडे वाले दिन. I think I'm gonna come back with this next year and figure out क्यों मैं ऐसी हूँ.